Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your shop name on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna access a particular Etsy seller app on your mobile phone, or you can go to your Etsy.com, and then you're gonna find this option called Shop Manager on top right corner of your screen, right? Go ahead, tap on the Shop Manager, and then it will simply show you all of the menu options for you to do the changes on your Etsy shop. You can tap on the settings option that will be given below. Once you have tapped on it, it will simply access the particular information option called info and appearance. Once you have tapped on it, it will simply show you this a kind of a section on your right side of your screen. You can see this info and appearance and shop name. You can see on top change and shop title, shop icon. So here in the section, what you can do is you can tap on this change option given just right over here, and then you can see this will open this another interface which shows what happens when you change your shop name on top. And you can see the current shop name over there, a new shop name. Go ahead, enter a particular new shop name for your shop and tap on the save. The update will be saved on your account and your name is now changed. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.